Dear children, in this session we are going to discuss about the type of networks. There are 4 types of networks, that are LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. LAN means local area network. MAN means metropolitan area network. WAN means wide area network. The last one, PAN, means personal area network. First of all, we can discuss about local area network. It is a network of computing devices in a room or a building or in a campus. It covers the area of few kilometer radius. Look at the word radius. Few kilometer radius. Okay, that is 1 to 10 kilometer approximately. We can set up a LAN using wired or wireless mediums. That is either through optical fibers or through microwave or radio wave wireless medias. It is managed by a single person or an organization. The LAN can be also established by using a Wi-Fi card or Ethernet cable. The next one we should have to discuss about metropolitan area network. It is a network of computing devices within a city. It covers an area of few kilometers to few hundred kilometer radius. For example, the networks used in schools, banks, government offices within a city or a local area. It is typically formed by interconnected number of LANs. It is owned by organization or a government. One of the example is cable TV. Nowadays we are having ACV cables and all, no? That is coming under this metropolitan area network. The most important type of network is worldwide area network, or it is termed to be WAN, nothing but internet. It is a network of communication devices crossing the limits of a city or a country or a continent. It covers an area of hundreds of kilometer radius. It can cover an ocean or a continent. The example of WAN, we can say it as the network of ATM, banks, national or international organization offices spread over a country or a continent. It is usually formed by interconnecting LAN, MAN or maybe with the other WAN, that is wide area network. Best example of WAN is nothing but internet. The last one is personal area network. Network of communicating devices. Communicating devices like computer, phone. That is, if you are using a Bluetooth, then it forms a personal area network. It covers an area of few meters radius only. When we transfer song from one cell to another cell, actually we are setting up a PAN of 2 phones. Likewise, we can set up using guided or unguided media. If you are connecting your phone and your laptop through a cable, then it becomes a personal area network. Or if you are sharing a file from your mobile to your friend's mobile using extender, then that is a PAN using wireless network. I think today's class is very effective. Thank you so much.